Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can apply for a Bendigo's bank credit card. So if you wish to apply for the Bendigo's bank credit card, you need to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser and go to this link, that is bendigobank.com.au/personal credit card, and on this page go to the credit card section. As you press the credit card section, you should be able to see a list of credit cards that they offer. So if you wish to apply for a specific one, scroll down to the bottom and go to apply for Bendo Bright, or the types of credit card. Over here you could go ahead and click on apply now, and then you need to go ahead and select new customer, existing, or apply in a branch. Select either one of it and click on apply. As soon as you do that, this is going to take you to the next field where you have to start with the registration process. As per the registration, they'll be asking you to access your ID, so you have to go ahead and enter that and click the next button, and then you'll begin with the actual registration where you have to provide your personal details, contact details, verify your email or contact information, and create a username, password, all of that. And with that, you'll have successfully applied for the Bendigo's bank credit card. So that is how simple it is to apply for the Bendigo's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.